Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this video I want to explain how you can make more money with less working, or how you can make the same amount of money with less working. So I'm doing e-commerce, and most people think e-commerce means working all day every day, answering messages, checking orders, fixing problems, running ads, stressing about sales. I used to believe that too, but there's a truth no one tells you. When I worked harder, I earned less, and when I worked less, I earned more. And this video I will explain exactly how that happened and how you can do the same. And you can apply this method on every type of business, not for only e-commerce. The biggest lie in business is how if you work harder, you will make more money, and that works for jobs 9 to 5 and not works on business. In e-commerce, hard usually means doing everything yourself, managing too many products, solving the same problems again and again. You became busy, not successfully, and it takes very more time. For example, messaging. Just connect your page to the AI chatbot, and AI chatbot can do it instead of you. And so why most people stay stuck? Most beginners do this. 10 products, 10 ideas, 10 different ads, 10 different problems. They think more effort equals more money, but what actually happens is more stress, less focus, and no system burnout. I was there, and that's when I realized something important. E-commerce is not about effort. All about is system automation. Not in only e-commerce, all type of business is working, and it's worked for me. I was doing e-commerce. So one product, one message. That first I changed. I stopped chasing many products. I focused on only one product, one simple offer, and one simple clear solution. When you do this, your ads get better, your branding gets stronger, your work becomes easier. Instead of asking, what else can I sell? I start asking, how can I sell this better? The single decision reduced my workload and increased my income. And automation is power. If you are doing same tasks every day, manually, you are wasting your time. I automated, for example, customer replies with chatbot AI and or order processing. I fixed this problem with assistant. I just freelancer. Basic support questions. I solved this problem with AI too, and freelancer. I have worker, online worker, and no, most things happened without me touching them. And if you are new, and of course you can't hire a freelancer to this, but you can connect chatbots to your system. And here's a rule I live by. If a task can be automated, you should never do it manually. And automation doesn't make you lazy, it makes you scalable. And I do this, it worked. I was working 10 hours before 2 years. Now I'm working 2 hours, and it's just controlling the freelancer, controlling the advertisement. That's all it. And let's talk about ads. Another big mindset shift is I stop trying to sell. I let my ads sell. So guys, another trick is ads. But if you don't use ads, you must do it because your ads works every day, every hour, and you don't. Just your ad, give your ads money, and your ad gonna try to make you money. If you're doing organic and you have money, efficiently good money, you can just start doing ads and paid ads. That was another automation, and the moment in my life everything changed. When I finally worked less, I become calmer. I made a better decision. I stopped panicking, and guess what? My results improved because stress kills clarity, and clarity makes money. Working less didn't make me lazy; it made me smarter. And build system first. Money comes after. Not more hours, not more stress, not more chaos, but fewer products. Clear message, automation, and consistency is key of this game. And my final advice is, if you're tired of working all day with little results, stop asking, how can I work harder? And instead of start asking, how I can improve my results and get more like sales. If you just gonna for example gonna everything automation you make, and you just have more time, and it gives your brain clarity, and then after clarity you can think more efficiently, effective, and you can take a good decisions, and it's gonna make you money. So and don't be busy so much, and uh, it actually works, because if you want a more real e-commerce strategies, not motivational nonsense, subscribe this channel and subscribe. Bye bye.